Hello students, welcome to ShirtBack Academy. In our lesson today, we're going to begin section 5.3 in the ITF Plus course. The topic for this lesson is database interfaces. Let's begin. Data manipulation languages are commonly abbreviated DML. DMLs are database computer languages that provide instructions on how data is handled within the database. With a DML, you can modify the data within an entry record. However, you cannot modify database table schema or object attributes with a DML. Four primary DML statements to be familiar with are select, insert, delete, and update. Select allows a user to retrieve data. Insert allows a user to add data to the table. Delete will remove data from a table. Update will modify the existing data in the table. Data definition languages are commonly abbreviated DDLs. DDLs are the database syntax that defines the data structures in the database. DDL statements will create and modify database objects, such as the table schema, index, and users. There are three primary statements to be familiar with within DDL language: create, alter, and drop. Create allows the inserting of new database tables and users. Alter will modify the existing database table schema. Drop will delete a table or change and delete database schema. DDL statements are used with the SQL or SQL query language to execute the user's desired commands. Manual databases are hard file storage systems that consist of paper records. They are used frequently for data backups and archiving. Manual databases may be handwritten or typed paper output. There's usually an ordering system to index the data records. Manual database indexing will have a primary key field that uniquely identifies each record. Manual databases do not have relational indexing between table schema. Any data relationships must be evaluated directly by the administrator. API stands for Application Programming Interfaces. APIs provide users with a computing interface to define how existing hardware will work with a database. Remote APIs allow users to interact with databases from off-site locations. Web APIs are defined interfaces for business customers. It allows customers to access database systems and applications. SLAs are service level agreements that will outline the ways that users may access, modify, and create database records. Database management systems are commonly abbreviated as DBMS. They are interfaces that allow users to input database queries without the need for SQL or other query languages. Database management systems can come in several forms: local clients on a desktop, web clients linked to cloud databases, or mobile device applications. Query forms are the data entry interfaces used in database management systems. They allow a user to access data records by defined search criteria. Report Builder is a database report creation tool used with SQL databases and servers. Report Builder provides an interface that enables users to create simple graphs, charts, and reports from complex queries. Report Builder has many benefits for database reporting. It's easy to train non-technical staff. It provides powerful visuals and allows for sharing of reports with multiple users. Report Builder allows users to preview the database output in both an HTML and print format. Database dumps are files that contain an entire database structure and schema content. They are used for backing up databases or restoring if contents are lost. Database dumps are formatted in a list of SQL statements that contain records of all the database tables. Exporting a database dump means saving a source database in a file to be used for later storage. Importing a database dump is restoring data from a file to a destination database. Database dumps are created in SQL format, but commonly saved in the zip archive file format. That will conclude this lesson and Module 5. In our next lesson, we will begin Module 6. If you have any questions about the contents of this lesson, please review the course notes and exam objectives from Section 5.3. We thank you for following along in the video, and we will see you next time. Enjoy the rest of your day, everyone.